Today in the herb garden, after we wait for the ladybugs to cross, we are going to go ahead and harvest some of our herbs that are starting to grow. Mainly it's the anise hyssop, but like it's a licorice, but not like a licorice root. So this is growing really good, and with herbs, the more you cut, the more it'll give you. So I would like to go ahead and drying it out and getting some saved for over the winter. So we're going to give those guys a little haircut on some of these over here. But some of the beautiful things are starting to pop. We have some columbines here. I love after the winter, there's all this beautiful green stuff, and now that we have green and lots of dead grass, unfortunately, because of no rain, there's some color that's starting to pop out. I had some beautiful phlox there that is now kind of dying back, but it was really pretty. And then we've got a really, golly, look at this lupine. Look at those different tones of colors all in one stalk. That is so, it's magnificent. It's just so pretty. So that I'm not going to harvest. That I'm going to enjoy. But I might come out here and grab some sage. Lots of yarrow is out here, but I'm not sure if I need that right now. So we're just kind of going along to see what I can snip. It looks like I can snip a little bit of mint. Gosh, I love mint. That's always so good to add to any of the teas. So, and then we have some little bit of pops of color of some daisies over here. I don't eat those or anything, but those are for the pollinators. So, and then the garlic is looking really good. I don't have any garlic scapes yet, but they should be popping up pretty soon. So I'm excited for garlic scapes. I should have quite a bit. And and we can definitely harvest some lemon balm. We are good on the lemon balm, so I'm excited to cut that, get that rinsed off, and then get it dried in the dehydrator. And I did notice that I've got one little strawberry here, so I'm going to go ahead and take this before the kids do.